Hello, this is RICKY, the Android guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you the best feature of the Note 2 that I did not have when I originally got this device, but now I got the update, so I'm going to let you see it. And that is Multiview. Now, what Multiview is simply using two apps at the same time. Now, this can only be done on the Note 2 in the US right now. In terms of phones. In overseas, you can also do this on the Galaxy S3 with the Premium Suite update, only if it has a Premium Suite update though. So let me show you guys what this is. Now if you hold the back button right here, you just hold this down and you get this sidebar pop up. Now this sidebar you can grab, hold down, and you can move it up to the top, you can move it up to the right, you can move it at the bottom, wherever you want it, so wherever you feel more comfortable. But basically what this is all of the apps that can be used with Multiview. Now, first of all, the apps are going to be every Samsung app. So what I mean by that is gallery, email, internet, Polaris Office, video player, text messaging, and S-Note. It will also have every Google app, so YouTube, Google Maps, Google Talk for video chatting or instant messaging, Chrome, and Gmail, of course. So all those apps, and also two social networking apps, which is Facebook and Twitter, as well as, I think I took the other one off, Chat On. It'll also have Chat On for Samsung. So now, the main thing is that what's called an SDK has been released on this. Well, actually, let me get into that after. So how you use this is, say you're watching a YouTube video, and so you're watching a YouTube video, most likely an Ask the Android Guy video, because you guys love watching those. I mean, who doesn't really? And so you watch that video, and something's wrong with my internet right now, but. So you watch that video, and after you watch that video, you're all like, man, someone's text messaging me right now. So when you get that text message, you're like, man, you know what? I'm just going to answer that text message. So you can just hold the text messaging app and bring that right over. And now you have two apps at the same time. So you can even make one app more dominant than the other. And again, I don't know why this is acting like that. But you can have one app be more dominant than the other. You know what, I'm just going to use data. And the other thing you can do is not only have one bigger than the other, but you can also switch them. And the other thing you can do is you can also, of course, bring one app to be the dominating app. Now you can do this with a bunch of different ones, of course. So you can even use your GPS. You can even use your GPS and navigate somewhere while you're watching Google, or while you're doing anything. So if I wanted to go to this theater over here, I can actually navigate. Again, even make one app bigger than the other, and while I'm navigating, I can instant message someone. And again, to bring that bump up right here, all you have to do is hold back. And oops, for some reason the back button isn't working right now. There you go. And so I can just say go on Facebook while I'm navigating, or I can even video chat while navigating. So all these things you can do right at the same time, and all really cool that you can do these kind of things. And it just makes it, again, stand out. Not just having a bigger screen just to have a bigger screen, but actually utilizing that bigger screen so that you can use two apps at the same time, which is just really nice, the fact that you can do that. And it's something that no other device can do. And this is one of the reasons why I think the Note 2 is by far one of the best phones out on the market. And it's simply because a lot of other phones have specs. So, you know, say like the Droid DNA or the LG Optimus G, they have nice specs, but that's kind of like having, you know, a webcam or a front camera without video chatting. It's like, well, it's great you have nice hardware, but you don't have software to do anything with it. And that's the real difference of the Note 2 and Samsung's approach this year, really, was they have features that no other device has. Not just amazing hardware, but amazing software that backs it up that no one else has. So that's really nice, and it's something that you can do with this device that you can't do with any other device on the market. So something that I just really think you guys should check out and, you know, take a look at. If you guys have any questions about Multiview, feel free to ask. If you are wondering if there are other apps that will take advantage of this, the answer is yes. Google did release an SDK, meaning that, Samsung released an SDK, meaning that other apps can take advantage of this. So hopefully other apps such as Netflix or Hulu or Instagram will also take advantage of this. So far, from what I've seen in the States, the NBA app that Sprint has taken advantage of this, and some other carriers have taken advantage of it. Now, if you don't have all those apps and you are on Verizon, Verizon has said that even though they have Multiview right now, they only have the Samsung apps that I went over in the beginning, and therefore do not have the Google and social networking apps yet. They did say this is coming in an OTA update, over-the-air update, so you can expect it later, but you do not have it now, unfortunately, guys. But yeah, guys, that was Multiview. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Once again, this has been RICKY, the Android Guy.